Hey guys, welcome back to another video on 5 Acre Homestead. My name is Danny and we've got some pretty exciting news. And what we're doing, you probably guessed it based off the thumbnail and the description or the title of the video, is that we're going to pick up a new member for the homestead. So we're going to pick up a 9-week-old Dalmatian pup named Lolly. Lolly is what we're naming her. And we're really excited just to add another, add a pup. We've wanted a dog for a really long time. We've got a breeder who's really close to us, really well known, raises great pups, and that's what we're going to do right now. We're going to pick up Lolly the Dalmatian. So unfortunately Tess is not here to join us on the trip to go get the dog. Unfortunately her schedule didn't align with the breeders to actually pick up the puppy today. But so that's why I'm doing it alone, but we're going to surprise her later, and when she gets home from work I think she'll be pretty excited to see the dog. So yeah, we're a few minutes out from the breeder's house and we'll see you guys there. Probably won't film a whole lot at her house out of respect for her, but that's the plan. Oh, yeah. There you go. Puppy. It's okay, Lolly. It's okay, girl. Shh, good puppy. Hey, girl. Uh-oh. We got a little scared, didn't we? Oh, boy. Little mess. Yep. Big mess. First test as a dog parent. That's okay. Alright, let's get you out of there, girl, okay? Come on. It's okay. Come here. Let's go wipe our paws on. Come on. It's okay. Come on. Gotta wipe your paws off, huh? Welcome to your new home, huh? Lolly, come. Oh, shoot. Come on. I'll get you some treats, okay? Okay. Girl, I gotta go clean your poop. Okay. Here you go. Here you go. There you go, girl. I'll get you some water and some food, okay? Where are you going? Where are you going? Come here. Hi. her reflection. That's what it looks like to me. I think she is. Who is that? Good potty. That's almost on the grass. Good potty. Good potty. Good girl. There she comes. Girl. Yeah, girl. Yes. Good girl. Good girl, Lolly. Good poop. Good girl. Good girl. Come here. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah. Good girl. Good poop. Good girl. You did it. Yeah. All right, so it's been 24 hours since we've gotten Lolly home. Not a terrible night we had last night. I had to take her out 3 times. She pooped once on our rug, and then she peed on the rug this morning. But we're working at it. So far, she's been a really well-behaved pup, and we love her already, and we're really excited to have her along and part of the fam here on the channel. So we're excited to take her out on some backpacks and some hiking trips. And oh, hi girl. Hi. Just a sweetheart. Or she likes my zippers. You like my zippers. Nope, no chewing. No. Anyways, really excited to have her along. Excited to have her on some hikes and some backpacks. I'm a little distracted right now. If you guys want to see more of Miss Lolly, be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below, right? We'll see you guys on the next one. Got a couple more videos planned, and I'm excited for 2022 to get here. We got some big trips planned, right? All right, we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Hey, Lolly.